And now let's look at how to remove a value from a list. So let's suppose that we are trying to remove the data, the first data. So if we're trying to delete the data 10, then we're just going to use the remove first. So you can look at the video for that one. And if we are, so that's the first thing we're checking. Is the first data equal to the value? Then we're just going to go and use the remove first. Otherwise, we're going to check to see if our data is equal to the last value. So is the value we're trying to delete the last link? If so, just use the remove last method, which we already showed the video of earlier. Now let's examine the scenario where the link that we're trying to delete is not the first or the last. So suppose we're trying to delete link 6. So how we're going to delete link 6? Well, we're going to start first. We're going to try to find it, right? So where is this link that we're trying to delete? We're going to start a link to delete equal to first. So this one is going to be equal to delete, and it's equal to first. And we're going to check to see if to delete's data is equal to the value we're looking for. So we're looking for, let's say we're trying to delete 25. So is 10 equal to 25? No. So tell to delete to go to the next one. So to delete is equal to delete next goes here. So is to delete's data, is this 20 equal to the 25? No, it isn't. So tell to delete to go one down. So now to delete is equal to this link. Okay, so is this link to delete's data, is 25 equal to the value we're trying to delete, which is 25? Yes, it is. Okay, so now let's go ahead and delete this link and see how we do it. As soon as to delete's data is equal to the value that we're trying to delete, right? Then what we're going to do is delete the link. So we're going to say to delete next previous. So to delete is this link. So to delete next is L1. To delete next previous is this link. So we're saying this link, this here, is equal to delete previous. Which one is to delete previous? Well, to delete previous is this one. So we're saying this equals this. So this L6 now is L2, or in other words, we have changed and made this link here. Next thing, to delete previous next. So to delete is this one, to delete previous is L2. So to delete previous next, which is this link, is equal to to delete next, which is L1. All right, so I'm telling you this equals this. In other words, L6 here is now L1, or I have moved this link to there. Now the next step is I'm just going to say delete to delete, which now tells the compiler to just clear up the memory address which to delete refers to, so that it can now be used for other purposes.